Okay, letter B. So instead of color coding things, I'm just going to label them 1, 2, 3, 4 until I write it all out. So the first term that we're going to write is negative 7y cubed because that is the highest exponent that I see. So this is going to be my first term. And then after cubed, I see squared. So this is going to be my second term. And then I see 4y to the first. So that's going to be my third term. And then I see a term without a variable at all. So that's a constant. So that's going to be my fourth term. Now I'm just going to rewrite it in that order. So I'm going to start with negative 7y cubed. I keep the sign in front of it. So that entire negative goes with the 7 and the y cubed. Plus, because the next term has a plus in front of it, so plus 3y squared. And then now the 4y, it doesn't have a sign in front of it, but it does not have a negative sign, so we're going to go ahead and say it's positive 4y and then plus 5. And that's my answer. Now it's your turn to try it.